All right, we are back with a trading recap. This is my eighth video today, so hopefully, I swear, bro, I hopefully the audio is working perfectly fine, man. Because if I stop this recording, come back to it, and this damn audio is not working, a monitor, a TV, and a keyboard and mouse will be broken. I kid you not. I kid you not, bro. I'm gonna forget all that. Let's get down to the video. All right, we got weekly analysis going into GU, UJ, the dollar, and Dogecoin. Besides that, everything else could F off. Monthly time frame wise, I was talking about this earlier. I'll do it all over again. Monthly time frame wise, we have come into this monthly fair value gap right here, which it looks to me is going to get respected when we're seeking buy side liquidity, which is resting buy stops right there, buy side right here, and a little bit more buy side right there that we can all target for the upcoming week. Will we hit it? I don't know. I'm not, Dr. Strange is mud, but I'm not looking to the future. Weekly time frame though. On the weekly time frame, this is the thing that we have to look out for because on the weekly time frame, we have created a weekly fair value gap to continue lower off of right here, which in my opinion is it got disrespected already. So I'm more into the bullish attempt for GU right now. So I'm going to be looking for buys right now, and then what I like to do is just see where does the weekly candle wants to expand. Does it wants to expand higher or lower? Most majority of the time, if we're not in a weekly, if we're not in like a monthly P rate to continue lower or higher off of, majority of the time it's gonna continue higher off of like this in this instance right here. Because we have buy side liquidity right here and sell side all the way down here and down there. So in my opinion, I think we're going to just continue higher off of this right here with just the knowledge of being just been trading for like almost a year and a half now. But what do we know and what do we have right here? We did trade back down into this order block right here on the daily time frame to continue lower off of. So we do have that right there. But besides that, no weekly P rates besides to continue lower off of. We have been showing bullish attempts to disrespect that. So I'm just looking in lower time frame, getting some more information with that probably in the next week on like Tuesday, Wednesday, because that's when we normally form the low or the high of the week. Then also UJ, we're gonna do a speed run of this stuff right here because this is like the eighth video. So UJ right now we do have a order block on the monthly time frame. No fair value gap, no imbalance, no nothing right now, and we are sitting at all time highs where we was last month. Weekly time frame, nothing really besides a weekly fair value gap right here. Now this is what I was talking about earlier or a couple of days ago, where when we have like a fair value gap that's being created and then we have like a strong wick into it like this right here, I tend to see 9 times out of 10 that it disrespected that. It disrespected that fair value gap and trade back into something like on the lower time frame, like the daily or 4 hour, and then we could just continue lower off of right here. Which, in my opinion, I think we're just going to continue lower off of that because we have this huge disrespect of a weekly fair value gap right here, and then the daily attempts we have an order block right there that we could continue lower off of, and also we have that breaker right here, which this is the entire breaker. Actually, the breaker is right here. This is just an overlapping breaker. We'll just call it that. Then on the 4 hour time frame, we do have a overlapping with a fair value gap right here and a order block right there. Now, what I was saying earlier was that we are going to be bearish until I said we are going to be bearish, but what I would like to see is this right here, this far fair value gap and this order block to get traded into, or just a fair value gap alone to get traded into, to continue lower off of that, and then sweep sell side liquidity there, and then we have sell side all the way until down here, which I would like to see that honestly. So to start off the week, I want to see like on Monday or Tuesday that fair value gap to get traded back into to continue lower off that. And then that would just give me all the knowledge that I want to go. If UJ wants to go lower, then GU wants to go higher. And then with that, you have like a 50% chance of winning if you just choose the right time, the right setup, and then the day of trading. Now on the dollar, we are looking for. We're looking at the dollar right now. Previous, we have not swept any type of highs ever since this high right here got swept. And the immediate high right there, and then on the weekly time frame, this is what we can see right here on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we do have a fair value gap right here that has been created, but we did get that strong bearish. Let me see if I can find things. We did get that strong bearish candle right here into that fair value gap. So we're trading into that like that with that strong bearish into that candle. What I would like to see is currently a retracement up into like a lower time frame, like a daily or a 4 hour fair value gap, and then continue lower off that. But if I don't see that, then we're gonna start respecting that weekly fair value gap. But besides that, on the daily, even on the daily, we've been sweeping out sell side liquidity, and also all the sell side right there. So all that, and then overall, the dollar was pretty much bullish. If you want to ask me, like pretty much the dollar was pretty much bullish overall. Right there, so we were pretty much bullish, and then we had this small consolidation phase right here. We finally broke out of that consolidation with this candle right here, so I'm looking for probably on the 4 hour on the dollar we get a trade back into some type of fair value gap or some type of PDRE that we can continue lower off of right there, because we did have this small consolidation right here, and it was just basically sweeping out sell side and buy side. So just sell side right there, buy side, buy side right here, and then sell side down there. Come up here, then sweep out buy side again, sell side again, buy side, just over and over again until we got that break right here where we swept all those lows. I'm just looking really for. I'll look for this right here. A pullback right here will be nice. Or we already created a fair value gap right here, a small one right here that we can trade back into, which we continue lower off of that. So overall, I'm just going to be. Let me see real quick. Overall, I'm just going to be bullish on GU, bearish on UJ. Dogecoin, let's go ahead and talk about Dogecoin a little bit. I know a lot of people have been suffering with the crisis of just a crazy bearish attempt right here. We did have a bearish, like just a bunch of bearishness right here, which was overall we was down 45.2%, and I'm still down right now on my position on just one of my coins, the Dogecoin alone. I'm still down. Let me see real quick. Down 2.02% right now, down on that. But besides that, pretty much, well, overall 2.02% down on, but today's percent I'm up 2.4%. I'm up right now, everything like that. But yeah, man, overall, man, I was thinking that we're going to be down like a lot more than that, honestly, because we did have this monthly fair value gap right there that we can trade back into, and we can just continue higher off that. But besides that, man, we have sweeping all this bearishness. We disrespected this bearish candles right here with creating just daily fair value gaps to continue higher off of. I know Elon Musk has been tweeting about Dogecoin a lot, so we should get some returns back into this coin right here. But besides that, honestly, Dogecoin has been looking pretty promising lately, honestly. Very bullish overall. I know Ethereum and Bitcoin was down a lot. Let me check out the prices real quick. Dogecoin's up 0.16. That's the now we're up 3.78. Ethereum is up 2% almost, and then Bitcoin is up 1.78% right now, which is nice. I really like to see that. Oh, Token is up 4.1. That's pretty much nice, honestly. See the charts right here for Ethereum. Pretty nice, honestly, in my opinion. Pretty nice. But besides that, oh yeah, we do have news. So these are probably the days I'm going to be trading. Probably going to be trading Tuesday, looking for trades on Tuesday, London session, and then no trade on Wednesday, of course. No news that day. Thursday, looking for a trade, and then Friday, we're going to be looking for a trade. And then if I see a good setup on Monday, then I might just take that trade. But besides that, this is going to be it for this video. I'm gonna end it off with this note right here. Honestly, I think that's it. I covered the covered G. Okay, perfect. Dogecoin, everything. All right, everything looks nice. All right, that's gonna be it for this video.